Hey everyone, it's me Tim from FTA Adventures, and today I'm going to talk about 5 tips for doing your laundry, things related to doing laundry while you're traveling on a motorcycle. Stick around. So like I said, today we're going to be talking about 5 tips related to doing laundry on the road. And tip number 1 is to wash your clothes in a sink at a hotel. This is going to save you money and time. It's pretty easy to do. You can use the shampoo that they give you with a hotel room. Wash your clothes out in the sink, wring them out, dry them out for the night. And most likely your socks are not going to dry overnight in a hotel room, so you can hang those off the bike somewhere to kind of air dry as you ride. Tip number 2 related to laundry is carry laundry detergent from home. If you have the powdered stuff, you can put it in a little Ziploc bag, pre-measured out. If you know you're going for a week, maybe you're going to have to do laundry twice. Bring enough laundry detergent for 2 loads. That way you don't have to pay for it if you go to a laundromat. It doesn't seem like you're saving a lot of money, but $2, $2.50 at a time, it adds up, especially if you're on a longer motorcycle trip, and it really doesn't take up much space in your panniers or your side cases to just carry a little bit of laundry detergent and save some money that you can then put in your gas tank. Tip number 3 is to wash in nature using a dry bag. Fill up a dry bag with water from a creek or a river. Put some laundry detergent in it, shake it up, move it around. You can even attach it to the back of the bike to kind of clean it as you ride, and rinse it out, wring it out. Just be careful with your gray water. Your gray water is water that has soap or detergent in it. You want to make sure that you don't put that within 200 feet of a water source, and you should ideally dig a cat hole for it. And you should ideally dig a cat hole for your gray water that you can kind of bury it away from anything that it might affect or pollute. Tip number 4, truck stops have laundry service. They have washing machines and dryers, and it's a great place to get some laundry done while you catch up on things, phone calls, getting some work done, reorganizing your luggage, things like that. Truck stops are a place we're going to frequently on the road, so it makes sense that this would be an easy place to do laundry. It's also a place you can take a shower if you want. A lot of truck stops have showers, and you can do your laundry, take a shower at the same time, and get all cleaned up, and then head off down the road. Tip number 5 is if you're dealing with damp clothes that haven't quite dried all the way yet, like a t-shirt, you can put it on and wear it to dry as you're going throughout the day. It'll dry out your clothes and they don't get mildew from being stuffed in a bag. They'll dry out a lot quicker, and if it's hot, it'll keep you a little bit cool for at least the first part of the ride. The only thing I wouldn't recommend doing this with is socks. Putting wet socks on and then putting them in your boots, probably not going to be a great combination. The socks and things like that, like I said earlier, should be hung on the bike somewhere to air dry. But things like t-shirts or pants, those can be put on a little bit damp or a little bit wet, and they'll dry out throughout the day. So those are my 5 tips about doing laundry on the road. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ride safe.